Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset settings in Guildrun. Let's start off by opening settings. In this menu I will actually make some changes, maybe not that. Maybe not that. Yeah, that works. I'll change this, enable this, lower that. After, if you have made some changes and you wish to revert them to the default, simply select reset settings. As you can see, this reverted those settings to the base settings that were there before I changed them. Let me change those and try one more thing. I'll change up the options here, hit reset settings, and let's see if this actually, yes, it also changed settings here, so it's global reset of settings. It's quite of a nuke then, so be careful. If you made some small mistakes during your, setting up your settings, I recommend changing them manually. If you want a total clean slate, simply hit reset settings. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.